I'm probably a little bit young to remember the show, but it was my dad. He used to record them off the TV back in the day. And as a kid, I'd wake up, obviously, on a weekend and come down and watch them on VHS tape. They'd record it off the TV. And that's what got me into it, just sort of seeing those cars fly through the air and the stunts they were doing. Yeah, I was just hooked straight away.
Welcome to Yorkshire County. Break a one, I might be crazy, but I ain't dumb. That's Sheriff Roscoe's ride, rolling into town.
I searched for about a year for one of these particular shape cars. I always wanted the big block engine as well. A few small blocks come up, but I really sort of set my heart on the big block. Then this one came up. Yeah, we done a deal and obviously had it shipped over from Nevada.
Danny Hall's 1978 Plymouth Fury is hotter than blazes. A rare replica of the patrol car featured in the classic American TV series, The Dukes of Hazzard.
Obviously a big fan of the show since I was a kid, like a lot of people my age. Obviously I'd always wanted a General Lee, but that was a little bit out of my price range, so I went for the next best thing. The original owner worked in the Chrysler dealership, and when he ordered his own Plymouth Fury, he ordered it with a police special handling package. So it's quite a rare car, so it's civilian ordered, but it was never owned or used by the police. So there we go, that's the earliest photo I've got of it, the top one, in 2012. And this was the picture when I bought the car. That's what it looked like. It was just very faded, obviously, from all the sun in Nevada over all the years. I knew I was going to spray it anyway, so the paintwork didn't matter to me at all. It was just a very solid body car.
Launched in 1956, the Fury was Plymouth's proof of what it really could do. An evolution from humble sedan to a performance-oriented muscle car. By the 1970s, its robust construction, ample interior space and V8 engine made it the police car of choice for departments across the US. Before the Fast and Furious, there was the iconic Fury, securing its place in pop culture alongside the Dodge Charger in the Dukes of Hazzard, with over 1,000 police cars used and wrecked during the 6 years the show was on air. A 34-year legacy which saw many incarnations. The Fury remains a high-performance collector's car that packed a punch in American automotive history.
It certainly gets the attention on the road, yeah. Always getting the horns or people thumbs up, taking photos as they go past. Yeah, it's a real attention getter, yes.
It's no surprise that it's such a head-turner. Danny spent 11 years researching the original Dukes of Hazzard Plymouth Fury, replicating every detail.
As you can see, this is the original light bar that I purchased from a 1981 Fire Chief's car. The original interior, it was all maroon. I've had that sprayed tan to match the series correct cars on the show. Got the correct CB antenna that was used on the show. The car's also signed by all the cast members. I've been to the States. The glove box is signed by the cast members. I took the glove box lid with me over to the States. Had that all signed. Got a few signatures on the sun visor and the trunk as well.
So what was it like meeting them?
Oh, amazing. Yeah, brilliant. Great that was, especially Daisy. Everyone wants to meet Daisy. So as you can see, it's a 6.6 litre V8, also with this police special handling package, which is fitted as an option. It's not the most tidiest engine bay, but it's reliable. I mean, it runs, it goes, and it's never let me down. I've owned the car for 11 years now. I've had a lot of fun over the years. I've done many events. I just think it's time for a change. Just time to move it on and let someone else enjoy it, really.
You're sort of selling your childhood dream.
I am, I know. It is kind of that, but I think it's just time for a new toy now.
Back in Yorkshire County, it's about time one of them Mathewsons boys turned up. And Danny Hall's Plymouth Fury has Sheriff Dave's name written all over it.
Hey, mate, how are you?
I'm good, mate. How are you?
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
yeah, likewise. I'm absolutely
good,
spot on,
good.
mate.
Good.
I love it.
Thank you.
Absolutely brilliant,
great.
mate. It's in good order.
Very good order. Yeah, it's very solid. And it's shipped over from Nevada. That's it, got the hat as well, look at that. Suits you.
Brilliant. Oh, and I do, and the old Roscoe.
Got the sign, look at that.
Look at that. Suddenly I'm like 10-year-old again.
Yeah.
That is, it looks about right.
It's bang on, it's exactly what they used, yeah. So it took a bit of tracking down that in the States.
Yeah, I bet.
It's originally a 1981 Federal Chief's car in Pennsylvania. So it came over with 2 red lenses in it, very dull, flat lenses. So I found a company, obviously make the new lenses,
Oh, you done well there,
Yeah,
didn't you?
absolutely.
And siren?
Yeah, siren all works, yeah.
You better give us a
Obviously
quick
on the
blast of the
lights. Yeah,
siren.
we'll go around there in a
Give us a
minute.
quick blast of the siren. That's the all-important bit, isn't it?
Great, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely spot on. That's the biz, that, isn't it?
It is a biz, yes.
Love it.
Well, we were set the reserve about 15,000.
I certainly think it will do
It's the only one in the UK that I know of.
10 north.
Yeah,
All we need is 2 people, don't we?
that's it.
If we get 2 that are just as balmy as me and you,
Exactly.
then we're away, aren't we?
Yeah.
As long as they've got a bit of money.
Yeah. That's it.
I genuinely think she'll do north of 10.
Okay.
We'll aim up at 15 and see how we
Yeah,
go.
sounds good. Brilliant.
Now, there's one thing y'all should know about them bangers, boys. They live the dream. Cameraman John is such a huge Dukes of Hazzard fan that he has his very own Dodge Charger. And with a limited budget and a Plymouth Fury to play with, well, it seemed like an opportunity not to be missed.
Deb, is it the first time you've been in trouble with the law? I was going to say, just get in and belt up, will you?
I tell you what, it's a bit daunting with that siren behind,
Isn't it?
You just think, hang on, what have I done?
Deb, Saturday night, 5:25 on the
I'm in
telly.
it, I'm living the
We're
dream,
in the
aren't I?
Dukes of Hazzard, aren't we?
Yeah, I'm just bracing myself for the jump in a minute. Where's the jump?
The
Where's
bridge
the jump?
is out. I'm assuming you watched the Dukes of Hazzard.
Oh, is that what it was? I thought we were smoking the band in for a minute. Who would have thought? Yeah, 40 years later, we're in the Dukes of Hazzard being chased by a police car. It's just like make-believe stuff, isn't it? It's just... Yeah, go for it, John. Go, 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 go.
Whoever buys this car off Danny, he's going to have a load of fun.
Come on, wait, Luke. 1 line to Luke.
Your Luke.
Oh, sorry. Your boat.
Lost sheep to shepherd.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. It was lost sheep to shepherd.
Oh, okay.
We were lost sheep.
Oh, were we?
Uncle Jesse was shepherd.
Oh, okay, I knew that, yeah.
That'll be your dad.
Yeah, that's it.
CB radio. I mean, nobody has a CB anymore. They
I know.
just have a phone, don't they?
You know, I said I'll be home for 5 o'clock. Well, it's going to be probably 10 past the way things are looking. We've just got a little bit of bother at the moment, but we'll be there in a minute.
5 hours of this will be made available to watch shortly in the extended version of Dave and John Forget They Are Grown-Ups.
Now we want the org.
yeah.
I am now 9, 10, 11 again. Isn't it? Absolutely great. No, I love it. And the car itself is in good order, nicely painted and so forth. It's a limited market, because there's only so much you can do with it, isn't there? Those that do like attention will like that car. Yeah, I love it as a toy. I feel it's going to float around the 10. The main thing is, it's a really interesting car to have in it, and we've had a load of fun playing about with it today. Who would have thought 35, 40 years later, I'm picking up Roscoe's police car? That's what makes this job so unique and so enjoyable. Right, I'll get back, I'll keep you posted.
Brilliant. Sounds good. Yeah.
All right, mate.
Okay. Sad. Very sad. Becomes part of the family. But looks like it's going to a good home. Someone's going to appreciate it, and yeah, just use it like I have. Yeah.
In 1978, in North Yorkshire Police Department, otherwise known as NYPD, they were probably driving around in Austin Allegros, weren't they?
Yeah, they
They
would have
did
been,
it in
wouldn't
a
they?
bit more style in America, didn't they?
Yeah, it would have been a Allegro-y type, Austin 1100s, wouldn't it? Morris Minors. I suppose the top traffic car would have been a Rover P6, wouldn't it? 3500, I would have thought. Which, incidentally, would actually have a V8 in, wouldn't it? The traffic car. But you're quite right. I think every police car in the United States was V8, wasn't it? With lots of everything, including lights and sirens and everything else. And of course, yeah, knocking around Thornton Dale in the same time frame was a Austin Allegro or a minivan, probably a minivan. Yeah,
Which, of
minivan.
course, you could have got in the boot.
Yes, true enough, yeah. While our bobbies were cruising around the North Yorkshire moors in a minivan, the other side of the pond, they were cruising around in a V8 high-spec Plymouth, including chrome and lights and you name it. So just a little bit different. Let's face it, there was plenty of room everywhere, wasn't there? Plenty of room on the roads, plenty of room out and about, plenty of room in the car, inside, outside, plenty of room in there. So let's put the biggest engine we can find in there. You know, plenty of everything. Police spec as well, this car. As far as upgraded suspension, upgraded gearbox, upgraded engine, I think Danny was saying. So the old fallacy that police cars are just normal sort of civilian cars with some stickers shoved on them is actually wrong. They were spec'd up. It's not something that you find advertised for sale on a regular basis. You're not going to find one of them. And you're not going to find one of them like that, are you? With all that on, and with that on, and with one of them in the back seat. Hey, oh, you what? And hang on, don't stop there, don't stop there. Hang on, hang on. One of them inside.
Dave, stop. How much does that hat suit you?
Is it?
Oh.
I mean, I'm very photogenic on a good day, but with this hat on, I go for it.
Yeah, no, do it again.
Hang on a minute.
Yeah.
There you go. Do you think I'll have one? The trouble is, I've got to buy the car to get the hat.
You're at £70 for the first, second, third and last time, provisional clear at £70.
Now then, the one you've all been waiting for, the Plymouth Fury police car. Off we go then. We have got 11,
We've got 11, 11, 5.
5, 13, 5, 14, 5, £15,000. At 16,500. At 16,500. 750 at the back.
16,750, your bid, Jane, that all right? We're outbid again. Do you want another one?
18,000.
Yeah, 18 and a quarter to you. 18 and a quarter, your bid.
18,250 on the phone. Would that happen to be on a boat in the Mediterranean
Yes,
somewhere at the moment? I
yes,
thought they
there you
might
go.
be.
Oh, bloody hell, we're outbid though,
18,500.
Jane, 18.5.
There we are,
Yeah.
18,750.
Okay.
£19,000 we've got.
18 and a quarter.
19,250. I don't know which one's going to be bidding on there because they're as bad as each other, the pair of them, aren't they?
You don't know whether
One of
it's
them's
you
gonna
or
be saying,
John.
Go on, to the other. At 19,250.
19,250, the
Which
hammer's
is then
up.
going to a boat in the middle of the Adriatic somewhere at
No.
19,250 and 19,500 in Derby. And we have to bring the hammer down at 19,750 with £20,000.
No, he's coming in another one.
At £20,000, 22.50. I'm going to bring it down at £20,250.
Yeah. There you go. Down to you, Jane. Well done, Jane. Well done.
Yeah.
Have a great few days. See you soon. Ta-da. They had a limit. They've exceeded their limit, but they've got their car. So everyone's happy, aren't they?
They're hard at it in the Pickering Departure Lounge.
I take it the purchaser of the Plymouth police car may be collecting it today.
Yeah, you can see the lights from here. They'll agree to that today then. We do have a system in place, it's just no one seems to go anything by it.
Well, Paul, if somebody was coming to collect a Dukes of Hazzard style police car, which is right in the middle of the building, what do you think Nick might say to that?
He'd say, another one bites the dust.
Yeah, another one bites the dust. Let's get it out, John. Let's go for it, Booker. Run the boil.
On the boil? We're on the job.
You know where that police car is, mate?
Yeah, do you? We'll have it out.
Not a problem.
Hang on, I'm having a look. I'm having a look.
So it won't be a problem for him to get that car out.
Nothing's too much problem. Not a problem.
Go on, Jack.
And just in the nick of time because new owner John Scoley is back from the Adriatic, ready to get his tanned hands on the 1978 Plymouth Fury.
I said, has she enough fuel in to get me to Pickering?
It's only half a mile around the corner.
Hey, I know, but there might only be half a gallon in it. Yeah, OK, we're not playing.
Dave loves it.
Fab, innit?
I'll tell you when I've driven it.
Oh, I think it drives real well. We had a
Does it?
fantastic day with it.
What's John going to do with it?
Like everybody else is going to do with it, John. Play with it, really, and have some fun and enjoy it.
Well, as they used to say in the programme, keep it between the ditches.
That's it. Keep it between the ditches and let it go at that. OK.
Good to see you, John. Cheerio.
See you later, mate.
We have quite a few vehicles from Mathewsons. As Derek Mathewson always says, it's a bit of a disease collecting cars. I'm the same with trucks.
Hence, I have about 9 trucks, and I don't actually operate any full-time now. I'm always interested in American vehicles. I have a beautiful Lincoln, I have a Chevrolet Apache, I have an Oldsmobile Rocket. I have all sorts of cars. One day we'll have a hell of a good sale.
The Mathewsons aren't the only ones with petrol in their blood. John Scully was so happy with his holiday purchase that he bought a matching sheriff shirt.
She drives, got full power steering for 46-year-old. She's fingertip steering, beautiful, drives well, suspension's very good on it. I love it. Totally different to a modern car, how it drives, how it handles, and everything. I mean, when you get to my age, I've driven nearly everything. So it's natural to me, but you either like them or you hate them. I just have a passion for American cars. I've had a passion for American trucks. I've had every American truck you can think of. I will be doing a show, and I just thought one truck at 10 to 2, one at 10 past 2, and the Plymouth in the middle of them. Cause a bit of attraction. I'll probably be hoarse answering questions by the end of the day, but I'll have a beer or two on hand to keep my throat going. I have read up quite a bit about the car, and that's why I was very interested in purchasing it. I think the guy who brought it over from California badged her up as a county sheriff car. The dashboard and the rear boot lid all signed by various stars. One I do remember was Eric Estrada, who I think is no longer with us now. He was one of the motorbike cops on Chips. So it's quite unique. It has a lot of history to it.
Are you a fan of the Dukes of Hazzard?
I remember watching it. It's a lot of years ago, isn't it? But I'm getting on a bit now.
So, in a nutshell, you like American things?
I do. When we looked at the car at Pickering, Dave Mathewson said to Jane, my partner, about 3 or 4 people have tried to buy the hat. She said, oh no, if we buy the car, the hat goes with the car. They could have sold the hat a few times, I think. But no, it's come with the car, which is nice. They look right, don't they? They look right, does a hat like this, rather than a woolly hat. A real hat, isn't it? It's a real trooper's hat. We're not catching anybody for speeding today. No, I wouldn't be giving any tickets out. I'd be the friendly officer.